What's up guys? So for today's video, we're going to share to you the pros and cons of Shopify. What is Shopify? So we know that Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage online stores. Like any software or service, it has its pros and cons, which can vary depending on your specific needs and goals. Here are some of pros and cons of using Shopify. So the first one of our pros is ease of use. Shopify is also known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward setup process. You don't need to be a tech expert to create and manage your online store. Then the next one is it is a templates and themes. Shopify offers a wide range of professionally designed templates and themes that you can customize to match your brand's look and feel. This can save your time and money on website designing. It also have a hosting and security. Shopify provides hosting, which means you don't need to worry about server maintenance and security updates. They also take security seriously and offer features like SSL certificates and PCI compliance. Then also, the App Store. The Shopify App Store offers a vast selection of apps and plugins to extend the functionality of your online store. You can add features like email marketing, inventory management, and more with ease. Then also, we have mobile optimization. Shopify offers responsive themes and a mobile app, ensuring that your online store is accessible and functional on mobile devices. Then next, we have also payment processing. Shopify Payments is an integrated payment gateway that simplifies the payment process for customers. It also supports multiple payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and more. Also, scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Shopify can scale your business. You can add more products, expand to new markets, and handle increased traffic. Then the last also I think is SEO friendly. Shopify provides SEO features and tools to help improve your store's visibility in search engines. You can customize meta tags, URLs, and more. Then the last one is I think is customer support. Shopify offer 24/7 customer supports through various channels, including chat, email, and phone. They also have a large community of users and experts who can provide an assistance. Then we go now through the cons of Shopify. The first is cost. While Shopify's pricing starts reasonably, it can become expensive as your business grows. Transaction fees and the cost of apps can add up. Then the transaction fees. If you use a payment gateway other than Shopify payments, you may incur additional transaction fees on top of your regular plan fees. The next is the limited design control. While Shopify's themes are customizable, you may encounter limitations if you have very specific designs requirements. Then about the data portability. Moving your online store away from Shopify can be challenging because the platform doesn't provide easy data export options. And also we have the app cost. While the App Store offers many useful plugins, some apps come with monthly fees that can increase your overall expenses. And I think the last is about the international features. While Shopify does support international selling, it may not have all the features needed for complex international e-commerce operation. So that's all for our pros and cons about Shopify. So if you found this video was helpful, then please don't forget leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next time. Peace.